Number 1. 1979 Ford F-350, $6,000, Loudonville, Ohio. This 1979 Ford F-350 is a dependable heavy-duty pickup equipped with the legendary 460 cubic inch V8 paired with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well, making it an attractive option for buyers seeking a functional classic rather than a complete restoration. While the bed floor and lower rear bed sides require rust repair, the cab corners, floors, and door bottoms remain solid, which is a major advantage since cab repairs are typically more expensive. Dual fuel tanks add practicality, although the rear tank will need attention. With its clean title, honest condition, and powerful drivetrain, this F-350 offers an excellent foundation for restoration or regular weekend use. Number 2. 1989 Ford F-250 Super Cab Powerstroke, $6,500, Sturgis, Michigan. This custom-built 1989 Ford F-250 Super Cab combines classic Ford styling with the highly desirable 1997 Powerstroke diesel drivetrain and frame, creating a truck that offers both vintage character and modern diesel reliability. The four-wheel drive system operates properly, and recent maintenance includes a new water pump, glow plugs, fuel pump, idle pulleys, and rear fuel tank. Power windows and locks improve comfort, while only moderate rust on the driver's cab corner and floorboard is noted. For buyers wanting a dependable diesel-powered classic with excellent towing capability, this professionally updated pickup delivers impressive value. Number 3. 1983 Chevrolet 2500 heavy-duty regular cab long bed, $4,000, Greenville, Michigan. This 1983 Chevrolet 2500 heavy-duty long bed is an unfinished project featuring a recently installed replacement 350 cubic inch V8. The seller notes the truck only needs an electric fuel pump and final assembly before returning to the road. Equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, this square-body Chevrolet maintains the rugged simplicity that enthusiasts appreciate. Although the body has significant rust, the truck previously drove well before the original engine failed. With its affordable price and desirable platform, this pickup offers excellent restoration or shop truck potential. Number 4. 1989 Ford Econoline E350 Super Duty Cargo Van, $500, Harrison, Michigan. Although technically a cargo van, this 1989 Ford Econoline E350 Super Duty provides exceptional value thanks to its running 5.8-liter V8. The seller indicates it simply needs a fuel pump after sitting, making it an inexpensive mechanical project. The major drawback is the missing title, which should be carefully considered before purchasing. However, the drivetrain alone could justify the asking price for builders or parts enthusiasts. Number 5. 1985 Ford F-250, $5,500, Dover, Ohio. Powered by a strong 460 cubic inch V8, this 1985 Ford F-250 combines classic Ford durability with impressive recent maintenance. The 4-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive system make it highly capable, while new tires, wheels, battery, LED lighting, steering components, and fresh oil service show that the truck has been well cared for. Dual 15-gallon fuel tanks increase driving range, and the owner regularly drives it on long trips without issues. This is an honest, ready-to-enjoy classic pickup that needs very little. Number 6, 1984 Ford F-350 regular cab dump truck, $4,000, Leetonia, Ohio. This 1984 Ford F-350 dump truck is equipped with a 351 Windsor V8, 4-speed manual transmission, and fully functional power takeoff operated dump bed. Numerous recent repairs include a new fuel tank, sending unit, fuel pump, and master cylinder, while the previous owner appears to have updated much of the electrical system and cooling components. Minor brake adjustment may still be needed, but overall the truck runs, drives, and performs its intended job well. Its solid mechanical condition makes it an excellent workhorse or restoration candidate. Number 7, 1968 Ford F-250 Camper Special Long Bed, $7,500, Valparaiso, Indiana. This 1968 Ford F-250 Special is an attractive survivor originally from Washington State, helping explain its remarkably solid condition with very little rust. Powered by the respected 390 cubic inch V8 and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the truck runs and drives well, while maintaining much of its original character. Camper Special models remain desirable because of their heavy-duty suspension and factory towing upgrades, making them excellent classic work trucks. Number 8, 1966 Chevrolet C10 Stepside Short Bed, $12,500, Ransomville, New York. This beautifully updated 1966 Chevrolet C10 Stepside Short Bed represents one of the most collectible Chevrolet pickups of the 1960s. Originally a Southern truck, it remains exceptionally solid and features a rebuilt 350 cubic inch V8, turbo 350 automatic transmission, Ford 9-inch rear axle, new drive shaft, fresh acrylic paint, restored interior, and numerous additional upgrades. Only minor finishing work remains, including weather stripping, bedwood, and taillights. With extensive restoration already completed, this classic is nearly ready for shows or weekend cruising. Number 9, 1973 Chevrolet KH20 4x4, $10,500, Carthage, Indiana. This 1973 Chevrolet K20 square body is a highlighable four-wheel drive pickup powered by a dependable 350 small block V8, SM465 4-speed manual transmission, and rugged NP205 transfer case. The truck has received extensive interior restoration, including professionally restored seat belts, new upholstery, sound insulation, Bluetooth stereo, vinyl flooring, and numerous mechanical upgrades. It runs and drives well, with only a minor electrical issue affecting one headlight. Square-body Chevrolet trucks continue to enjoy strong collector demand, making this an attractive investment quality driver. Number 10, 1980 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 Long Bed Dually, $15,000, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This 1980 Chevrolet C30 Silverado Camper Special is a powerful heavy-duty dually featuring a 454 big block V8, turbo 400 automatic transmission, Dana 70 full floating rear axle, Edelbrock intake, performance carburetor, headers, upgraded suspension, and Bilstein shocks. Recently transported from Oregon, the frame remains exceptionally solid, with only minor rust in one bed corner. Performance upgrades suggest additional engine improvements beyond factory specifications, making this truck appealing for towing, cruising, or custom show builds. Number 11. 1985 Ford F-250 regular cab long bed, $1,200, Harvard, Illinois. This 1985 Ford F-250 4x4 is an affordable restoration project equipped with a 3351 V8 and automatic transmission. Having sat for more than 20 years, it currently does not run and comes without a title, but the seller describes it as a solid truck overall. Buyers seeking a budget-friendly donor vehicle or long-term restoration project may find excellent value here, particularly given the desirable four-wheel drive chassis. Number 12. 1979 Dodge D150 short bed, $8,500, Penn Yan, New York. This 1979 Dodge D100 short bed has been upgraded with a freshly rebuilt 440 cubic inch big block V8 and a 727 automatic transmission. The truck features brand new wheels, tires, carpet, seat upholstery, and additional dash components included with the sale. While the transmission occasionally shakes in third gear, the truck remains remarkably clean inside and out. Classic Dodge pickups have steadily gained popularity among collectors, and the powerful 440 engine makes this example especially desirable. Number 13. 1979 Chevrolet Custom Deluxe C10, $3,900, Frankfort, Kentucky. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 Custom Deluxe is a classic square-body pickup powered by a reliable 350 V8 backed by a TH350 automatic transmission. Featuring power steering and power brakes, it runs and drives well despite typical age-related rust. The seller suggests it would make an excellent short bed conversion or enjoyable weekend project. With its clean Tennessee title and affordable asking price, it represents a solid entry into square-body Chevrolet ownership. Number 14. 1967 Jeep Gladiator, $20,000, Placentia, California. The 1967 Jeep Gladiator remains one of the most iconic vintage four-wheel drive pickups ever produced. Its unmistakable front grille, rugged styling, and durable chassis have made it increasingly collectible. This clean title example features automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, approximately 80,000 miles, and presents in excellent condition. Well-preserved Gladiators continue to command premium values because of their rarity and timeless off-road capability. Number 15. 1963 International Long Bed Step-Side Pickup, $16,000, Conway, Arkansas. This rare 1963 International Harvester long bed step-side pickup has already received the expensive mechanical upgrades that most restoration projects require. It now features a brand new 350 small block V8, TH350 automatic transmission, upgraded radiator, power steering, custom dual exhaust with headers, new brakes, fresh suspension, new wheels and tires, and modern gauges. Only cosmetic refinishing remains to transform it into a show-quality truck. Because vintage international pickups are significantly rarer than comparable Ford or Chevrolet models, this represents an excellent opportunity to own a distinctive classic with most of the hard work already completed.